Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your online store or products to Amazon. So you can start selling on one of the world's largest marketplace where whether you are using Shopify WooCommerce or selling manually, I will walk you through everything step by step. To sell on Amazon, you need a professional seller account. So first of all, go to seller central amazon.com, then click sign up. Choose professional plan around for $40 per month. Fill in your business information, legal name, email address, tax ID or SSN based on your region, ID verification, credit card. Once approved, you will land on your Amazon Seller Central dashboard. You have two options when listing products: sell existing products already on Amazon, create a new product listing for private label or handmade. If you are reselling or drop shipping, search the product name or ASIN and match it. If you are selling a unique product, click add a product. Then I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. Then fill in products title, description, brand, images, price, shipping information. If you have a Shopify store, you can sync products directly with Amazon. Here's how. Go to your Shopify dashboard, click Sales Channels tab in the search bar, search Amazon. Then click on this option. Then click Connect Amazon account, sign in with your Seller Central login, allow access. Now map your Shopify products to Amazon categories. Shopify will push product information, titles, products, price, inventory to Amazon automatically. You can also manage Amazon orders from your Shopify dashboard. This works best for sellers in US, Canada, and UK. In Seller Central, go to Settings, then Shipping Settings. Choose if you want to fulfill orders yourself, FBM. You pick and ship the product. Amazon FBA, Amazon stores, packs and ships for you. If you are using FBA, go to Inventory Fulfillment by Amazon and follow the steps to ship inventory to Amazon warehouses. If you are fulfilling on your own, set shipping times, regions, and fees. Once your listings go live, keep an eye on your orders, customer messages, performance metrics, on time shipping, order defect rate, etc. You will get order alerts via email and app. Amazon prioritizes sellers with high performance scores, so respond quickly and ship on time. Here are some pro tips. Use clear, high quality product images, write SEO friendly titles and bullet points, keep prices competitive, get early product reviews. Binds Amazon's bind program can help run Amazon ads to boost visibility. Also, consider enabling buy box eligibility by offering fast shipping and competitive pricing. And that's how you connect your business to Amazon and start selling in 2025. Whether you are listing products manually or syncing through Shopify, Amazon gives you access to millions of buyers. If you set things up the right way, if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop a comment if you want a how to use Amazon FBA tutorial next. Thanks for watching and good luck selling on Amazon.